Hey, what's up everyone? I have something delicious for your next holiday party. This is my version of pumpkin dip and it is fantastic. Let's rock it out. I'm starting off here with 8 ounces of very soft cream cheese. And I am going to beat this with my hand mixer until it gets fluffy. Once your cream cheese is looking pretty creamy like this, we're going to go ahead and add in 1.5 cups of powdered sugar. I packed it down in there pretty good. Mix it in. Next I'm adding in 1 cup of sour cream, and this is whole milk sour cream. Next I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of molasses, and do yourself a favor and spray your spoon before you try to measure that molasses. That tablespoon of molasses is going to give it that baked flavor, so it's going to have a much deeper, richer flavor than it would without it. Go ahead and mix it in. This is 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt, along with 2 teaspoons of pumpkin pie spice. And this is my recipe for pumpkin pie spice. You can use store-bought, but I will leave a link to mine. 1 teaspoon of vanilla going in. And 1 15-ounce can of pumpkin puree. Mix it in. Go ahead and scrape your bowl. Once you get this dip mixed up, go ahead and garnish it out with whatever your little heart desires. Some graham crackers, Nilla wafers, apples, pretzels, bagel chips, whatever sounds tasty to you, and this dip is ready to party. Hey guys, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Happy cooking, everyone!